Hello, people. So I just realized that some of my products I have not yet reviewed. One of them being VLCC Pocket Perfume Herbal Forest with the goodness of natural oils. This is only 60 bucks, but it smells so good, yeah. And sometimes you just need that little bit of fragrance to kind of brighten your day. So I really have to say this, yeah. VLCC products, that is Vandana Luthra Curves and Curls, that's the kind of full form, I guess. They are so generous with regard to the quantities, and this is my observation that all women entrepreneurs tend to be very generous in it's like mother earth, yeah, mother nature, like even Ekta Kapoor has apparently 187 uh, shows on air, if if you count all the shows on her different web platforms, and then on 187 as of 6 months ago. Maybe now it's increased. So no, so Vandana Luthra products also I've seen are very generous. This of course is a pocket size perfume, but with regard to the creams and all that they offer, it's quite a lot. So do I can't recommend VLCC products enough because they are awesome. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.